Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Now, after an incredible workout, we're about to talk about nutrition. Now today I'm going to make you a smoothie you can make on the go, on the run, when you're in a hurry. 3 ingredients and you're done. All you need is your cucumber, your bell pepper, and your Greek cheese. Olive oil, salt, basic, that's it. Easy to make, any time of the day you can have this. Alright, so now let's get straight into it. So like I said earlier on, if you're on a weight loss journey, this is a salad you could have. It's very good. I mean, you have your Greek salad, your Greek cheese, which is very rich in protein and very good for calcium and good for your bones. So mix all three. Now, in case you don't have bell pepper, you could use your option of tomatoes. Doesn't spoil anything. So I'm gonna add a teaspoon of olive oil. And a little bit of salt for taste. And we have it. That's it. Stir. I'm done. So there we go guys, our 3 ingredients: cucumber salad, cucumber, bell pepper, your Greek cheese, basic. That's all you need. Very easy and simple to make. You can have this if you're in a weight loss journey or you want to take a snack in between your meals. Very perfect. All right, I'm your trainer Brad. This is HOMEFIT, and I will see you next week on the next episode. See you guys.